Have you ever felt this? Sometimes you have a conversation with someone and it seems completely normal, but somehow you keep thinking about it afterward? Not because the topic was deep, not because it was a long conversation, but because something felt different. There was warmth, there was connection, there was that feeling like, why do I feel so understood? The truth is, that's not a coincidence. There's one thing most people overlook about connection, and ironically, it's the most important one. Most people think connection comes from appearance, clever words, or trying to be interesting, funny, or impressive. But in reality, deep connection is built on presence, not just being there physically, but being there mentally, emotionally, and energetically. You can sit in front of someone, but your mind is somewhere else. You can talk for hours, but nothing truly connects because your body is there, but you're not really present. And this is what most people don't realize. You don't need perfect lines to make someone feel close to you. You don't need the perfect moment. You don't need complicated strategies. You only need one thing, something that's rare these days, the intention to truly be present. If you want to build a real connection with a female friend or anyone, even in just 3 minutes, the first thing you need to change is not your words, but your focus. Stop trying to impress. Start trying to understand, because connection doesn't come from talking more. It comes from listening deeply. When you give someone your full attention, your eyes, your body language, your silence, your empathy, without realizing it, you're sending a powerful message. I see you. I hear you. You matter right now. In a world full of notifications, endless scrolling, and divided attention, that kind of presence is magnetic. Now let's break it down. Minute 1, presence. This isn't about communication techniques, it's about mindset. Put your phone away, not just physically, but mentally too, because people can feel the difference. Make eye contact, warm, not intense. Keep your posture open. Speak calmly. Your body should say one thing, I'm here. Presence creates safety, and safety creates trust. Without presence, conversation is just exchanging words. With presence, it becomes a real human moment. Minute 2, curiosity. Not nosy, not interrogating, but genuine curiosity. Curiosity is the invisible bridge that connects two people. Don't just ask, what do you do? What are you busy with? Go a little deeper. For example, what's been on your mind lately? What's been exciting you these days? Simple questions, but they open deeper doors. And this is where most people fail. Not because they ask the wrong questions, but because they don't truly listen. They listen while preparing a response, while waiting for their turn to speak. But real connection happens when you pause and truly listen. Minute 3, authenticity. This is the hardest part. Be real, no mask. Most people are tired, not because life is hard, but because they're constantly performing, trying to look strong, trying to look confident. But real connection doesn't come from perfection. It comes from honesty. If you don't know something, say it. If you feel nervous, that's okay. Vulnerability is not weakness. It's courage. When you're comfortable being yourself, the other person feels safe too. And that's where trust begins. Closing. Now you understand, connection isn't about time. It's about depth. You can talk for hours and feel nothing, or talk for 3 minutes and feel something real. Because real connection isn't about tricks. It's not about strategies. It's about being fully present, being genuinely curious, being authentically yourself. When your focus shifts from how do I look impressive to how do I understand this person, everything changes. Sometimes all someone really needs is to be reminded that they matter. And maybe your presence, your curiosity, and your honesty can become the beginning of a connection they'll never forget. Because depth isn't about how long you've known someone, it's about how real you're willing to be. And sometimes all of that can start in just 3 minutes. Thank you, bro. Hope this helps.